Good morning everyone. Let's start today's maths class. As you see, I have written down one word problem on the board. So first let's read the word problem on LCM. Find the smallest number which when divided by 40 and 21 leaves no remainder. As you can see, we have to find the smallest number and leaves no remainder. Two words are here. So whenever we have to find the smallest or the lowest number, it means we have to find the LCM of the given numbers. Leaves no remainder. We know that LCM can be divided by the given numbers and there should be no remainder. Okay. So now we have to do the word problem. We have to calculate the LCM of these two numbers. As it is a word problem, we have to write down some language. A word problem without a language is incomplete. So let's write down the language. We will write down the language from the question first. The smallest number which when divided by 40 and 21 leaves no remainder. Till here it is from the question. Remainder. Next we have to add just one line from our side, is that is their lowest common multiple. It means LCM. This is the language only which we have to write in this word problem. Now we will calculate the LCM of 40 and 21. Let's just rub the board and then I will do the LCM of 40 and 21. Draw one line, write down 40, 21. On a single line, we will do the prime factorization of this. 2 7 are 14. As we know, 21 is not going to be divided by 2. So write 21 as it is. Now 3. 7 is not going to be divided by 3, so write down 7 as it is. 3 7 are 21. Then 7 1 are 7, 7 1 are 7. This is the prime factorization of this. Now the LCM. The LCM of 40 and 21 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. 2 3 are 6 multiplied by 7. 7 6 are 42. It means our required answer is 42. So now let's write the answer. So the smallest number which when divided by 40 and 21 leaves no remainder is 42. This is the word problem. We can check the answer. 40 3 are 42. 21 2 are 42. In both the cases there is no remainder. It means our answer is correct. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Let's start our second question. Find the smallest number that is divisible by 4, 8 and 12. Again you can see we have to find out the smallest number and one word is here, divisible. As you know, smallest, lowest, same meaning, so we have to calculate the LCM. Again divisible. Divisible means a number which is completely divided by the given numbers. There should be no remainder. So same case we have to write down the LCM of these numbers. Language, the smallest number that is divisible by 4, 8 and 12 is their lowest common multiple, or we can say that LCM. Only this thing we are writing from our side, rest of the thing is from the question. Is their LCM. Now we will calculate the LCM of 4, 8 and 12. I will rough it and then I will do the prime factorization of 4, 8 and 12. This is 4, 8 and 12. Let's see. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. We will divide by 2 till we get no other option. 1, 2 ones are 2, 3 as it is not going to be divided. Then 3, 1, 1, 3 ones are 3. The LCM of 4, 8 and 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 4 6s are 24. It means our answer is 24. We can check the answer. 24 divided by 4. 4 6s are 24. Remainder 0. 8 3s are 24. Remainder 0. 12 2s are 24. Again remainder 0. It means our answer is correct. So in the last we can write. So the smallest number which is divisible by 4, 8 and 12 is 24. I hope you have understand how we have to do the word problems on LCM. Now we will do some more word problems in our next class. Till then, have a nice time.